That was not the intended effect, but that's okay. We are going to get started. Um, I guess I forgot to loop that overlay. This is the last this year weekly code review with Apache Spark. The chat overlay thing is being a little weird, but I'm hoping it's working. And we're going to try and do this bi-weekly code review. Apache Spark. I'm going to try and do it a little bit on the shorter side, and we'll see if that makes it easier for me to keep doing. And if not, we'll go back to the regular weekly one. Okay, cool. Looks like it went live on YouTube. Don't know if it went live on Twitch. It should have. Well, whatever. Let's open Twitch really quickly on my phone, just double check and make sure that everything is okay. Cool. Looks like it's live on Twitch as well. That's good. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. We're going to do a bit of a sort of different thing than normal, and we'll see how this goes. Before I do, oh fucking goddamn. Okay, it's a good thing I looked at this first. Looks like this configuration is per machine, so I'm just going to turn off my chat bubble. No, it is turned off, and it just doesn't seem to care. There we go. There we go. Okay. Cool. So now let's switch to live mode. Yay! Okay. So the review today is actually going to probably take a look at something being discussed on the dev mailing list. So we can see here that this is interesting PR. Talked with some folks about this before the PR was created. And so this is trigger GC on the executor node. And the idea is that we can trigger garbage collection on the workers when they're not busy. So there's Jira issue tagged. Sean took a quick look at it, made a separate table, and then made a reference to the study which this is coming out of. And so Steal a GC, a framework to trigger GC during idle periods in distributed systems. And so this is a research paper from some folks at Hewlett-Packard Enterprise, and they claim to have some pretty interesting performance results. So that's exciting, right? Making things faster is cool. I haven't looked at this paper all that much, but it sounds like an interesting idea for sure. And so then Sean made some comments, and okay, it's yeah, this is the paper, and people are actively discussing it right now. Yeah, so here we go. So large batch long-running jobs. For normal jobs finishing in a couple of minutes or hours, we don't see an improvement. So that's certainly interesting. And the discussion right now is in a little bit of a weird place. It's split between GitHub and the mailing list thread. So it's certainly, we don't know if it will help generally. So that's complicated. So let's go take a look. So Ryan said empty executor may delay starting tasks because of the optimistic GC. Sure, full GC instead of incremental may not be needed and could increase starting delay. One core executors will always GC between tasks. Spark managed memory may cause long GC pauses that don't recover much space. Dynamic allocation probably eliminates most of the benefit of executor turnover. And so the idea is Oh, because of executor turnover. So if we're dynamically allocating our executors, that is, if we're noticing that an executor is idle and releasing it, then, you know, we're not going to have a lot of benefit of, because we're only running GC events on executors which are idle, and if we're releasing those executors anyways, you know, there's not really a lot to come from it. But I don't think that's super true. So I'm not super sure about this. Dynamic scale down is often done fairly conservatively, and we could more aggressive. So let's go look Spark dynamic allocation. Let's go look up our documentation on this. Yeah, executor idle timeout. Cached executor. Idle timeout, yeah. Right. When combined with cached blocks. See the separate I think we could still see some benefits. Default of infinity. Although in practice, folks will likely choose a lower value. Yeah. And so this is just saying that, like, yeah, I mean, if we are dynamically tuning down, right, if it's the executor idle timeout, then yeah, that's bad. But if we've got this cached, then it's yeah. Yeah, so here's our removal policy. Yep. Graceful decommissioning. Yeah. Yes. So this talks about handling cached blocks. Although if we start migrating cache blocks in the future, less of a that might be less useful. Okay. Spark managed memory may cause long GC pauses. Yeah. So let's go take a look at this. So on the email thread, is the PR author one of the paper authors? I don't think so. It doesn't look like it. So what I'm going to suggest is it makes sense to loop in the paper authors. I imagine they might have more information than ended up in the paper. When is this paper from? 2016. Well, this is been around for a while. Yeah, so garbage collection is certainly painful. Okay, cool. So let's go ahead. I think we could still see some benefits. Even without I could see folks having the executor timeout for decommissioning being longer than the amount of time it takes to run a GC event. Especially if we consider the interactive notebook case. Auto scale down. Anyway, that's my initial thoughts. Let's go look at some of the code though, because that's fun. Okay, idle GC threshold. Huh. Okay, those are both vals now. Trigger GC on idle, memory MX beam, and what is threshold in this case? Okay, idle GC threshold is okay, yeah, threshold. Okay. Running tasks. Yeah, I mean, this looks not unreasonable. I think could certainly make sense. Yeah. Okay, cool. So that's part one. And let's go do my normal thing of looking at the Spark PR dashboard and see if anything catches our fancy. I'm going to just double check in on the YouTube comments because I know that they're a little hit or miss with the working sometimes, just in case. Although it is New Year's Day, so quite possible no comments. Okay, yeah, that's fine. Oh no, I didn't want to sort by title. Let's sort by updated. Okay. And let's definitely take a look, see if anyone has responded to our PR requests over the holidays. Otherwise, let's go take a look if there's anything new in ML. Oh. LGTM.com? I don't know that website. Oh, interesting. That's kind of cool. Okay. 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 So this is a lot of stuff. How big is this? It's 11 files, but if each one's relatively small. Huh. That's weird that was previously returning. Oh. Wait. Is this what we want? I'm not super sure. Oh no! Oh yeah, I uninstalled System Scala so that I could. Okay. Yeah, push D. Export path. D. Okay, cool. Oh yeah, okay. Export term. Export set term type. I want to export term equals xterm. Okay, cool. That's weird. What were we doing? Oh yeah, okay. So this check fetch handler threads %. Okay, let's go look at transport conf. Java? Oh, it is. Okay. Handler okay, that's an integer. So, okay. And val a equals 1. So if we do double a divided by b, oh, it's in Java. Oh. I don't know the casting order precedence. Java integer division double answer double result. Whatever. Yeah. So yeah, moving the cast, I'm not so sure about this. Yes. Wait. I'm not so sure about moving this cast. Why are we doing that? I'm not, I don't, yeah, I think that might be a little bit clearer. Okay. Like we're swapping objects for the native types, but I don't. Okay, throw. Ugh. Okay. I can understand wanting to rewrite this to be a little cleaner here. Element size, unsafe array writer. I don't. Unsafe array writer. Okay. Let's look at this return type. Okay, yeah. Okay. I guess I'm not sure about the cast with the division. Okay, cool. Also, is there? I'm confused. Yeah. Okay, yeah. No. Oops. Oops. Looks like I missed this comment. Sorry for the duplicate. Okay, yeah. Okay. Oh wait, no. Okay, cool. Here's the warning messages. Oh shit. There is 107 warning messages. Oh god. There's a lot of these. Okay. Cool. Well, whatever. I guess. Now let's see. Oh. This was updated recently, as was this. Okay, let's go take a look at those two. And this one we already know about. Okay. What was the last? Oh, yeah, okay. Yeah. Yeah. Yes. What was this comment? Oh, okay, yeah, never mind. So, yeah, add missing catalog methods to the Python API. Yeah, I mean, external table. Yeah. Yeah, so one of the things that one of the other committers said is like, I don't know why there's no doc tests here. And it's just like, yeah, I mean, that's true. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I agree. Doc tests would be awesome. But given the rest of the file, doesn't have them. I think it could be a reasonable separate PR to add doc tests to all the reasonable public APIs here. What do you think? Alright, can't spell for shit, but thankfully my computer knows that. Yay! Magic things underlined in red. Okay. Ooh. Let's see where this left off. Okay. Oh, cool. I like this. That's simpler, I think. Well, we can always strive for better messages. Let's go take a look at this. I'm really happy that this is coming along so well, and it looks like it's pretty close. Is this still? Ooh, I think this needs to get moved. I'm confused. Okay, no, those are the exclusion rules for 3. We are going to town on breaking our APIs. Or, sorry, updating our APIs. That's reasonable. Okay, the tests look pretty good last time we looked at them. Oh, yeah, that was certainly weird. Let's go take a look at the part where we had a comment for it last time. And it's going to be inside of string indexer. That's going to be our party. Okay. Yep. It's good. Okay. So how are we doing the drop? Okay, so during fit, string indexer function. Okay. Yeah, wait, where is the nulls handled again? Oh god. Okay. We have our labels array. Okay. Okay, this is training. Okay, I want to just go and take a look at the change, that specific change. So we're going to go into commits view because this is a little bit more code than I remembered it being. So let's go take a look at this one. Okay. Okay. So we don't count not a number of values because string indexer only processes strings. Okay. So selected columns, column dataset column, so new column, literal null call expert. Okay, cool. Yeah, I like this. There's built-in tools to do something similar, but this actually I think is the right approach, because with the built-in tools, we'd have to like give the columns the built-in NA tools are not great. So I think this is sorry, not that they're wrong. Not great. They're not great for this purpose, because I think they like overwrite the column and we don't actually want to do that. It's just for the encoding. Yeah, so this is aggregator string aggregator. Okay. So this is for the selected columns. Okay, let's go find val selected columns in the diff view again. I want to just go back here. Val selected. What? Oh, wait, what? Selected. Wait. Wait, what? I'm so confused. Yeah, selected calls. This should be. So we're gonna go. This is all of them. Oh, it's. I hate. Sorry. The GitHub like hiding of the one diff that I care about is. Yeah, just a little frustrating. Okay, so. This is done inside of set output columns. What? No, okay, this is done inside of the count by value. Okay. That makes sense. So that's reasonable. The question is down. I want to make sure that we're doing. Oh, we talked about this. Yeah. Okay, we just hard code two separate functions. Yeah. The question which I'm curious about is. Where's the transform function? Filter invalid data. Okay. Yeah. Okay, right. So if it's skip invalid. Okay. Oh, no. Skip. Yeah, okay. Okay. Oof. Cool. Yeah, let's go. So I don't have the time to fully review this. Cool. I like it. Address that. With the handling mans. I should probably. Okay, yeah. I'll give this a once over on Friday, just to make sure everything's okay. I saw some comments from DBSci and Felix. If they want to also take a last look over this week, maybe. Cool. And that's just like, hey, what's up? This is looking pretty close. I like what you did. I don't have the time to say for sure everything's done and merge this, but you know, we're close enough that I probably, if I had more time today, I would go ahead and dig into reviewing this. Even with that, I'd still want to ping DBSci and Felix to just be like, hey, you've been involved in reviewing this, so I want to see if you have any other thoughts. We should probably, yeah. So once I do the final review, assuming that everything looks good, I bet €5, those are MX Blues. Oh, wait. These are not, I don't know. This is whatever this is. It's pink. But I'm not actually super sure. I know there's about the not the keycap color, but button pressy thingy. But I'm not actually sure how stiff the keys are. But I like them. They're nice. Okay. Where was I going before I got distracted? Keys. Oh yeah. So like yeah, we'd still, assuming that the review on Friday, everything's fine. Ping all the reviewers after giving it an LGTM, and then just like give them a few days if they want to leave any last comments before merging. Because with all this open source stuff, it's pretty asynchronous, and so we don't want to force. We don't want people to feel like their voice has not been included. So I need to be respectful of the fact that everyone works with different schedules, right? Like I normally only have one day that I do code reviews on, although I'm trying to do two. And so that means like if I've left comments on something, it's nice if someone pings me and gives me a chance to follow up with it next week. I do have the intro outro deck. I can do that again. Holden and Boo's super fun live stream. What did we do today? We did not. That was previous. Apache Spark code review. If you like this, like, subscribe, click the bell. I'm Holden. My pronouns are she or her. I'm a developer advocate at Google. And I'm on the Spark PMC, but I contribute to a lot of other projects as well. In addition to who I am professionally, I'm trans, queer, Canadian, and part of the leather community. I'm trying to get my visa stuff all sorted out this year, but government shutdown means it's all kinds of fun. I think it's probably a good stopping point, and I can go make lunch with my wife. So thanks for joining me for my last stream of the year. I hope you all have a wonderful new year, and I'll see you all around. Toodles.